With new cases of coronavirus reaching over 15,000 in New Mexico, local businesses, from daycare centers to retail shops and restaurants, must prioritize sanitation at their facilities. The New Mexico Department of Health requires most local establishments in the state to observe a set of sanitation standards that can help prevent the spread of coronavirus, bacteria, and other disease-causing microbes. Not sure what these sanitation standards are about? Check out the link in our description to read an entire article about the latest disinfection requirements for New Mexico businesses. Larson Electronics UV Sanitation Solutions are also presented in the article, which can be used to comply with the standards, ensure proper disinfection, and maintain cleanliness in facilities. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.